Model, 64 Renault Trafic Vivaro SL27 Extra 2.0 DCI Silver needs gearbox repair. No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 176662. MOT, the 25th of January 2026. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox needs repairing or replacing as there is no drive. Straightforward bolt and repair job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van.